Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna give you the top 5 reasons why you shouldn't pick up the Galaxy Z Fold4. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I want to discuss some reasons why you may not want to pick up the Galaxy Z Fold4. Again, these are my reasons. If you have other reasons why you didn't get it, let me know in the comments. Let's get a friendly discussion going. Again, I asked this in other videos. If you picked it up, let me know what color you got, what size, and how you're liking it so far. I do like talking and having conversations with folks in the comments, so I will probably respond to your comment. So let's get into it. The first reason why I'm gonna say you shouldn't pick up this phone is if you work in construction, if you work somewhere where it's dusty and a lot of sand. This phone is not sand or dust resistant, dust proof. So yes, it can get into the hinge. I know Samsung said that they have made improvements to it. I would not take this phone on the beach at all. But I mean, even in construction, if you're dropping your phone, yes, there are many cases that will help you with that. But, and another thing too is, if not even you just work in construction, maybe you're really hard on phones, just like a Pixel 6a, a regular brick phone, candy board design, you may not want to pick up this phone because you do have to be, a little bit easier on this phone. I don't throw this phone around. I don't throw it on the ground or drop it on the ground. I try not to. There's many things that I try to do. I'm always having a cloth to wipe off the end of the screen. I try not to get dust around it. So if you work somewhere dusty or like in a construction site, you may not want to pick up this phone unless you have a second phone that you may want to get. The second reason is if you have the Galaxy Z Fold 3, I would not recommend picking up this phone or upgrading it. Even though this phone is an upgrade, if you look at the definition, I made a video on that. If you have the 3, unless you are a tech nerd and you just need the latest and greatest, stay with the 3. I think you'll be very happy with that decision because yes, the cameras are better on here. The battery life seems better. It has the better Snapdragon chip on here, but the 3 is not a bad phone. It is getting Android 12L on it, so you should be able to get the taskbar and everything too. So the 3 is not a bad phone. So if you come in from the 3, you may not want to upgrade. Number 3, the third reason, and I said this in the video before, is if you have small hands or girly hands and you do not like big phones and you cannot handle 7.6 inch display, then the phone is not for you. Don't pick it up. It is a big phone. Look, she is thick. She is a thick phone, even with a case on there. She is a thick phone with the hinge, and I mean, just look at the, yeah. And I have pretty big hands too, so if you have small hands and you don't like it, this is some of the excuses too I've seen online where people are returning the phone too, is that it's just too big. Yes, if you can't handle a big phone, then I understand. I mean, sometimes you just have to man up and say you can't handle it. It's not bad. Be okay with yourself. Now, the fourth reason too is if you don't like technology. Some people saying folding phones are not the future. It's not great technology. If you like these candy bar style phones that we've been having for years now, I understand that, but this phone is folding glass, y'all, with a hinge mechanism. I mean, it's not like the Exxon M or even, what is that, Microsoft phone, the Duo, or even my LG V60, which I love to death, with the 2 screens in there too. This is one piece of glass that bends in there. I really believe that folding phones are the future. And if you don't like technology, then yeah, this phone may not be for you. And check out that screen cover, by the way, or wallpaper. So if you don't like technology, if you don't want the latest and greatest thing out there, then yes, you may not want to pick up this phone. I don't know. That's 4 things. Y'all let me know if y'all agree or disagree with me. Like I said, have a friendly conversation in the comments below. The last reason I'm going to say is if you're broke not broke, if you just don't have money for this, or if you don't want to spend money on this phone, and I understand it. If you don't have a trade-in, or if you don't want to trade in your phone, I would not pay $1,800 for this phone. I really would not. I have been having trade-ins since the Z Fold 3. I'm paying like $759 on this, and if you think about it, actually less than that, because I made money trading in my S22 Ultra to Samsung. They gave me $1,000 for the phone, and by the time I paid, got discounts to get that phone, it was like $200. So yes, if you're broke or if you don't want to spend $1,800, I understand that too. You don't really have to, but if you don't have a trade-in, if you think the price is too high, then yes, I understand that too, because yeah, I wouldn't pay $1,800. There's only a certain person that pays $1,800 because he doesn't like trading in phones. I think most of y'all know who that is. Again, $1,800 is a lot for a phone, and that's just the MSRP on this phone. I want to know if you paid $1,800. Let me know in the comments, because there were so many deals out there, plus $200 credit, $300 credit on top of the $200. So there were some great deals you could get on this phone before pre-order. So y'all let me know if you paid the $1,800. I feel sorry for you if you did, because you missed out on the deals. And if you don't feel like even spending $800 on a phone, or you don't have the money, I understand that. There's other options. This phone is beautiful. If you have the money available, if you have the trade-in available, I would definitely decide to pick this phone up and get it. All right, y'all. So that was my top 5 reasons why you shouldn't pick up the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about it. If you agree or disagree, let me know. If you have any other reasons why you didn't pick it up, also let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace, y'all. I'm out. Pick up this phone if you want it. It's a great phone. Peace, y'all.